can fix, can use her. We be doing sermon titles and nothing like that, but I got one now. And I'm going to tell you why I have one now, because I'm hearing Christians crying about what they consider to be the political climate. What? What? You talking to me about a man? Serve God. I serve the Alpha and Omega. I'm not limited to no man and what no man is doing. But I'm going to share with you why we're worried about the man, right? People are calling me and listen to me. Y'all know I preached this years ago, and it might not have been, what's the word I'm looking for? It might not have been religiously correct. I told y'all 5 years ago to put $100,000 in the bank account. I told y'all before COVID hit, get your credit score right. Why? God spoke to me and said, tell my people that they need multiple streams of income because something about to happen. Joseph just didn't preach the word. Joseph let them know, you're going to have 7 good, you're going to have 7 bad. And if you take care of the 7 good, you won't have 7 bad. No. It's going to be bad, but it won't be bad. I'm just saying, y'all got to hear what I'm saying as the people of God. He said it's going to be bad for those that don't know me, those that don't walk with me, those who have not made me their God, those who have not put me first. It's going to be a famine in the land, but y'all not even going to feel the famine. I'm just being real. If you are in Christ, the famine ain't going to affect you like it affects them. Pastor did a baptism this morning. He said to the young man, Tracy, he said, I'm not telling you when you get baptized, you won't have problems. But if you won't experience your challenges like those that don't know him experience it. I'm just being real, y'all. We serve a God with the Alpha and the Omega. Like we serve the creator of the universe. There's going to be a famine, but it's not going to be a famine. No, there's going to be a famine, but you won't feel it. As a matter of fact, if you read the book of Genesis, not only did they have the famine, they actually prospered in the famine. So I told y'all a long time ago, before this, before they start shutting stuff down, I'm just being real. I've been told you multiple streams of income. God been told you in the Bible with your religious self. He been told you owe no man nothing, and you got a charge card with $20,000 on it you ain't even use that money for the gospel. You use that money for clothes. You in debt on some clothes. You in debt on a car that you couldn't afford. Listen to me. When you spending something on your credit card, it's simple. It means you don't have the money. So as your pastor, stop spending money you don't have. That's how you become a slave. That's how they put you in debt. And so now they just taking jobs and the people of God are worried. Why? You shouldn't have had one stream of income in the first place. You should have never had one stream of income. You should have never been relying on one individual. That's not. So I want you to do me a huge favor. I want you to hear the word, right? So, okay, here go the sermon title. So people are calling me, they stressed out, they going through it. And so the sermon title is, It Costs Not to Be the Boss. No, it costs. No, it costs not to be the boss, because then that means somebody else running your life. No, I'm just tired of grown people calling me like, I can't, who is they? Listen to me very closely. Before the religious stuff, I got a wife, I got 2 kids. I ain't relying on no other man to take care of my wife and my 2 kids. No other man. This ain't got nothing to do with religion. I just don't want another man to tell my wife when she can get up and go to bed. I don't want my kids having to deal with that. Why? Because I looked in the Bible and it says that a good man leaves an inheritance. I'm just saying, we just want to go with one side of scripture. We don't want to read them all. Let's just read them all. The Bible says if you are a godly man financially, you handle your business. You just don't have money. The inheritance, the 3rd and 4th generation. We got to do right. So we talking about what one person is doing because we didn't do what we were supposed to do. That's the only way some man got control of you, because they did what they supposed to do and you didn't do what you were supposed to do. And so it costs not to be the boss. It costs not to do what God told you to do and be what God told you to be. It costs.
Right.
And so I want to run through the scriptures with you. And I want to get some stuff in a
What's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good, man? Hope everybody's having a great day. Blessed Monday. You already know what it is. It's Suave Flex. It's your boy, man. We woke up today, so we're blessed. We're grateful. We're highly favored. All right. Again, it's the Splash Brothers. We got Joe in the house. We got X. We got both X's, both Xaviers in the house. I think we got my boy Jose in here. Yes, sir. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all in this chat right now, in this call, because y'all literally could be doing anything, okay? And I do apologize about yesterday, man. Your boy went to go work out and killed it and ended up knocking out. So, but let's get into this, man. I hope everybody's watching how
Don't
gold.
apologize. Don't apologize. It's not a monthly subscription.
Oh yeah, fucking Joe. Nah, yeah, I do need to stop apologizing, honestly. I do be saying, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, drill sergeant. Anyway, man, let's get to this fucking thing. All right, y'all. I hope everybody again had a great Monday. Y'all already see exactly what the hell is going on. We've been calling this since 2024, man. 3K. Gold is at 3K. It is March 17th, 2025, and we are at 3K. 3,000, all right, 11 per ounce for gold. All right, man. You guys see these trend lines, these key levels. Y'all see them right here. Not trend lines, sorry, but these key levels. The last time what we did as an outlook call was last Sunday. I literally was mocking this right here. I said, you know what? It's gonna tank, hit that second level of support, and then just took off. We had this marked up. If you look at the last call and the recording sessions, that sell happened, and then after that, it was just all buys. Okay, which we expected. It was supposed to happen. Okay. And if we seen a breakthrough through 28.75, then obviously we would have seen a downtrend, all right, and that continuation down. But now we see that it touched that last support, just shut up. All right, y'all. So we're at officially 3K. If we're following structure and we're following literally everything that me and Joe have been like literally discussing, okay, we can start at the hour chart to show you exactly why this went up and why it's above 3K right now. Okay. Hour chart right here. Okay, you see this candle, this hour candle, it stayed above. Even this one, you can call this one or this one right here. They all stayed above, didn't even go below our support level, aka our key levels right here. All right, quarter level. So it's at 3K, didn't even go below that. All right, y'all. And for anybody that's not understanding or hasn't really been on these calls, I need y'all to really focus and lock in on these key levels right here. This is what's going to change your life. Marking this up, having it the exact same way that we have it. Not only that, asking questions. If y'all have questions, ask them because your question might help somebody else in the chat. Okay? So, it's things like that where it's like, yo, just ask them, bro. Like honestly, because I know some of y'all are being greedy out here. I was that trader. Now that I've been following this plan, using smarter lot sizes, it's making me more patient and more disciplined. I see what my brother Joe was talking about. Don't be greedy. He's taking his chance. He's taking his time. These smaller, of course, everybody wants to get rich quick. I want to get rich quick, but it's not like that. And we know that if you've been in the game for a while, you know that it's not a get rich quick scheme. This shit takes time and you really have to put in the effort. Stop being greedy. All right. And that's for anybody because I know people out here are doing them lot sizes. All right. Give me 1 second, y'all. Had to close the door. Had to close the door, but get into it, man. You see that gold again, it's above our key level. It's above 3,000. We already know exactly what the hell is going to happen. We know it's going to hit 325 tonight. But why enter a trade right now, right? Because we want it to hit 325 right now. We want to go in, we want to make this money because we know what gold is going to go up, okay? Now there is no news tomorrow. Just by checking it again, these calls are going to be not quick, but very for people to understand, quick in and out. Tuesday, no US folders. I mean these yellow ones, but I don't think this will really move anything, okay? This is what we got to worry about right here. All right, Wednesday. Because once Wednesday comes in, man, there's going to be some damage with gold, okay? Very like some cool damage though, meaning that we're gonna see. Me personally, we're gonna see some sells. That's gonna be the liquidity sweep that we want to see. Okay, that's gonna be something that I could say that probably will happen. Again, it's gonna touch this 23, this 3025. Okay, I see that happening. Okay, it's obvious. All right, very very obvious with this. Here, let's see. I'm gonna mark this up for y'all so y'all can really understand. Once we start seeing gold break through this right here, that's when we're going to start seeing that downtrend. Once it breaks through 3K and closes, again, we're on the hour chart right now, y'all. I want y'all to understand that, okay? The hour chart is where Joe was kind of discussing. Even then, when he was like, "Yo, check the hour chart," I started doing that myself. So now it's like me telling y'all, "Yo, look at the hour chart for a real confirmation for that key level, that break and close above for that continuation up or down, whatever it may be." Again, we're following what? Trend structure key level. Literally, that's all it is. We're following the trend. The trend is up. We know the trend is up again. But what's the structure like? What are you following? Because yeah, we have these key levels here, but you also got to remember there is structure. There's trend lines too. We could even, if we really want to get down to the nitty gritty, but that's a whole nother thing. I'm not trying to go deep like that. It's we're trying to make it simple for y'all. And it is very simple. All you got to do again, you look right here. We see gold continuing up. It stayed above our key level, the 3000. If you don't have, again, if you don't have your chart marked up like this, mark it up. Quarter levels. Okay? Quarter levels. So now let's go to the 4 hour chart though, y'all, because I really want y'all to see the bigger picture. Okay? This is exactly what we're talking about. We already knew this was going to go up. Okay? Today, this morning, I was up since what, 4 a.m. I seen gold touch I seen gold touch 29.99, and I just seen it just tank all this. Everybody got ate up. Everybody. Everybody did. And that's exactly what was supposed to happen. You see it, it stayed below. And then what else happened? It stayed right here. The sell happened barely, stayed above this little, this little support line right here, which would, if I would have seen this break below here, I would have definitely thought sells for sure. A break in hard close with the 4 hour chart though. That's what I would have wanted, would have wanted to see. Now in that 29.75, that would have gave you more confirmation for a downtrend. Yeah, we're not looking for downtrends though, yeah. I want y'all to understand gold is going up. Okay. Gold is going up. And once we see that sell off, it's gonna happen on Wednesday. Again, I think so, just for the fact that it's Fed rates. They need to make the US dollar look very good right now. You might see a liquidity sweep. You might see some boom
Let's see.
and back up. You might see. Here, I don't want to use that. I'm gonna use this. Just a little brush at. All right. So you might see this. Boom, boom, like that.
You know who Haley Bieber is, right? Justin Bieber's.
So when you see boom, boom, that's how you know. That's that liquidity sweep that everybody, people got to get swept out. Look at this buy momentum right here. Even this buy momentum. Look at this big candle right here. That's a huge candle. If you've been in the trading game for a long time, yeah, I don't really talk about candles because again, we're just talking about, the trend, all the key levels here. We really want to see this candle though. I'm gonna call this candle out. That's a lot of money right here. Everybody was buying. There's money right here too. All of this.
Go to the
Okay.
1 hour.
Let me show you. All this right here.
Yeah,
These,
that's an imbalance. You feel me?
yep. You see this this candlestick right here, the bottom of this one and the top of this one. That's an imbalance. That means that people need to get swept up right here. They need to get swept. I don't know when it's gonna happen. Again, it could not even happen on Wednesday. That shit gold could just go flying.
It could take a whole week and come back and then shoot up and support off of it. And it's like, oh, we knew it could happen, but those are bigger time frame swings.
Mhm.
And we know because we've seen it. But yeah,
So again, he's talking about bigger time frame moves. That could happen right here. You see that? You see the difference? You see this big ass candle? That could happen for the same thing with a downtrend. big ass candle. We see it right here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one right here. What happened? Look at the imbalance right here. If you really look at it, look at this one right here. This candlestick, and then all the way to the bottom of this one. And what happened? It shot down, and then what? Swept, came down, and then swept everybody off of this imbalance, and then just continued up to where it was consolidating for that what 2950. We seen it just bouncing around 2950 all day, and then what happened? We seen that sell off. This sell off right here. This was a huge sell off. I don't even know what happened this whole week. Oh, that was the end of February. That's why. So towards the end of February, there's a lot of news that happens. NFP, all that good stuff. Okay, I think that was NFP. That's what had happened. NFP. Because this was all NFP week. Believe so. Yeah. And then what happened right here? Shot up 29.27. It was just bouncing around. We seen a little short sell off, and then boom, took off. Because what? These imbalances all right here. It had to break this. Once we seen this break and close above 29.50, this candle, this one right here, again, this is a 4-hour chart, y'all. 4-hour chart. So, like Joe was saying, he just mentioned it's like this is a bigger time frame. So you could see that definitely happening. And if we go to the lower time frames, right here, again, it might take a while for that to hit, but it's gonna hit. I could tell you that. Again, there's no news tomorrow. We can see this thing just tank all after Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We can just see it just boom. This is the hour chart. That could happen. There's 24, 48, 72 hours. Yeah, right. Yeah, 72 hours. You don't think 72 candlesticks could pop up right here? Like, that's very, very possible. And look, we see gold again taking off just because we're respecting this key level right here, this 3,000 key level. We just respected it and it took off. I had a TP earlier this morning. I actually was in a trade for a while. I had one, since 29.99, but I had a nice, good stop loss and I just let it hit. I just let it ride. I was at work all day. Didn't even look at my phone because I knew it was going to hit. I just knew. Gold is on this trend and it's going up. We look at the daily time frame. I don't even want to go this high, but look at that. There's it's all the way up, man. And it's very easy, y'all. It's very, very easy to catch these pips. What we're focused on again is these key levels. You see it. Here, I'm gonna bring y'all back right quick. We see it stayed below on this 1-hour chart. We see it stayed below this 3,000 key level. This is when it first touched 3,000. It touched it and stayed below it. And we just already knew if we followed our key level, our strategy, the Splash Bros strat right here, you just seen right here, boom. It stayed below, didn't even want to go up. This is the hour chart. Boom, that was your confirmation. It stayed below that key level. Cool. Let's rock. Sell it. 100 pips, 150. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, yeah, you got to get with us for sure. 100 pips, 150 pips right there. Boom. 1.0, that would have been $150. Couple hours. Maybe even one, because this one could have got you right here. That could have been your bag. But again, y'all, broke right here, this key level, this 3K key level right here. And we're just now continuing up. That's it. It already touched 3,015. $10 more, and we're at 3,025, another key level that it's about to touch, another all-time high for gold. Okay, because the all-time high right now is 3,015. We're gonna see it hit. I think it's gonna hit tonight because we seen London. I think there was London buys last night. I think Buddy, you were in a sell and then you caught the buy, right? You caught both, didn't you? That boy was going crazy. He said 5 trades a day, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, that was me though. And bro, people could do it. You could do that, but you also got to be careful because it's awesome. I'm pretty sure Bodie is using the proper lot size for sure because he's out here. I think you're using very good lot sizes, honestly. So it's all about proper risk, y'all. Proper risk management, making sure that you're not being greedy. There's more pips to catch. There's a lot of pips to catch, y'all. A lot. Trust me. It's there, bro. The money's here, the key levels here, the strategy's here. If you don't know, get with us, please. Ask. Your question might be somebody else's question. That's it. And then right there, now everybody got the answer. We're a community, y'all. We're Splash Bros. We're here to help y'all, take you to the next level. I thank each and every one of y'all for giving me the opportunity, giving me and Joe the opportunity to help y'all at least understand exactly what's going on and what we see and how we could teach it to y'all. Because I don't think without my brother Joe, I wouldn't have that confidence to really go crazy on this. It's both of us. Now we got the strat. Now we got it. It's there. Now we just got to keep applying it, be disciplined, and make sure that you're really using that proper risk, man. That's all it is. Discipline and consistency and proper risk management. It might take you 3-4 months to build your account to 5K, but once you're there, how are you gonna feel once that account is at 5,000 and you built it because you're what patient, consistent, and not only is it gonna help you in the market mentally, but it'll help you in the real world. Like patience, and you'll just be like, oh snap, like I see it. Patience with everything. All right. So I don't know if anybody has any questions,
How we
man.
do one thing is how we do everything.
Exactly. How you do one thing is how you do everything. That's it. All right, y'all. So we will be holding the
You won't
calls.
become a profitable trader if you're not profitable with your time.
Yeah, you were muffling, but he said
Yeah.
I understood that. You won't become a profitable trader if you're not profitable with your time, right? I believe that's what he said. All right. So if y'all
Mhm.
don't got no questions, man, that's fine. But ask them for real. If you don't want to ask them now, ask them later. That's cool. Ask them in the chat. And if you're taking trades when we're not sending them, that's good. Awesome. Just make sure you're using proper
Can you
risk.
hear me, CJ?
Now I can. Yep. Yep. Go ahead, bro. Yeah, you can talk. Go ahead. I don't got nothing else to say. Right
Okay.
now we're waiting for gold. Like if we're gonna give out any kind of, idea, it's let's
No,
wait
go
for
ahead.
gold.
That,
Shit. Now it's lagging. It's all good. I think he's in his garage. Nobody got no
is that
questions?
better?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Now I can't.
Go ahead and end this.
All right,
CJ,
bet.
give me a call.
Copy. All right, y'all. I got everybody, man. I hope everybody has a great night. Stay blessed. We're gonna be doing these calls 9 p.m. every Sunday. All right, y'all. Next Sunday, this Sunday coming up. So what we got? What we got? I don't even know the date. The 23rd, or yeah, the 23rd. So let's definitely lock in Sunday the 23rd, 9 p.m. I hope to see y'all next week. Make sure y'all are sharing this. Shout us out, man. Let's get it. Let's get everybody in the Discord. All right. If you got anybody that you want to bring on board, let us know too. All right. Much love to everybody. Have a great night. And let's freaking run it. We woke up today, so we are blessed, baby. Splash Brothers. Ah! Let's get it.